You know, I'm a really big fan of the garments in Burdastyle, and a couple of years ago I did a video showing you my all-time favorite Burdastyle patterns, and I've done quite a few more patterns since that, including the jacket that I'm wearing right now. So in today's video I will show even more of my Burdastyle pattern favorites.
We're going to start off with a pattern from, I would say, hands down my favorite ever issue of Burdastyle, namely the August issue of 2017. It has beautiful little straps, lovely pleats, and lots of nice detailing, including top stitching. Also, I love the way it fits. Another favorite from that same issue is this tailor jacket. This was my first venture into proper tailoring. I'm super happy with the result. Lots of nice detailing like this yoke, the way the shoulders are shaped with little dots, and lots of other nice detailing that makes this jacket a real standout in my opinion. I'm a big fan of making blouses, and I can say hands down that this has become one of my favorite patterns from Burdastyle when it comes to blouses. It's from the May issue of 2012. The model is 104. And what I love about this one is that it has such beautiful dots. They're actually open, so they go all the way down to the hem, which gives beautiful detailing and shaping both in the front and in the back. And I've actually done two of these patterns recently. First, this one in Aila cotton, and the second one in Liberty lawn. You can see they're quite different, but this pattern works well both for short sleeves and long sleeve with cuffs. And if you've been following Burdastyle for a while, you've probably seen variations of this pattern many times. It's a dress and sometimes a top with a draped front. And this was actually the first time I tried this particular style. It's an old pattern from 2008 from the April issue. But as I said, I've seen many variations of this pattern over the years. So I can assure that you will probably be able to locate something very similar if you can't track this old issue down. Good trouser pattern can definitely be hard to find, but I think I've located one new favorite. It's from the April issue of 2016, style 117, and it's a really interesting cigarette trouser design. One of the things I really like about this pattern, apart from the fit, is the design. There are actually cuffs and not regular hem, which I find adds a little bit of interest to a pretty basic style.
So this was some of my recent faves, and if you want to see even more Burdastyle favorites, do check out the other video that I made on this topic a while back. Lots of great patterns in that video as well, and I would love to know, are you a Burdastyle favorite or perhaps not as fun? Because let's be honest, the instructions does have a lot to be decided for, especially if you like illustration. But for me, I don't really care because I do love the design and the well-drafted patterns, but it's definitely a topic for discussion, so I'd love to hear your thoughts on whether Burdastyle is worth your time or not. So please keep the discussion going in the comment section. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!